karre wat stuck is, 'n fucking nasterk.
Don't take them all off, eh? Just
No.
nip.
I just nipped. There we go.
You can start to handbrake up. And then maybe yeah, just sit in it because obviously as soon as the back wheels, the handbrake's it's not going to work because you're lifting both back wheels.
What do you want me to do?
Dirk, you sit in and hold the foot brake.
Okay, give it a little bit of acceleration, otherwise you'll die.
Help them.
Fine, eh? Stop.
That's enough, I think.
Can you switch off? Leave on.
Rather don't because it's tight for the brakes. As soon as you switch off, you depressurize your... Fucking hell.
I don't think it's going to be so much cut.
You can't modify this thing.
Not. So you think I must just get a different...
Look here, it's a square tube.
Oh, okay, so you think I must just get the thing at the back changed? You say, where can I get that from?
LA Sport.
LA Sport, where are they?
Warmer main road, opposite next to Provincial Fisheries. Okay, release the brake, Dirk. It's going to take a bit of effort. There you go.
Smile, Dirk. Smile.
Line it up nice.
You know, Rolf, my friends would have been back longer coming to look to see where I am.
I know, I'm actually quite worried that
they also sitting.
yeah. No, they just left, and at no point there wasn't a cell phone call, there wasn't a hoot, there wasn't a oak climbing to the top of a koppie.
There's no cell
Maybe
phone
they're going to get
reception.
McDonald's when we finish.
I know that
I need to opposite first.
Ziad's got to go anyway. So
Okay, remember we're going to put the car down. So uitzakken met de eerste losje.
There we go.